Hello and welcome to the TaxTron Web tutorial video series. In today's video, we will be discussing moving expenses, what qualifies for the deduction, who can claim it, and most importantly, how to report it using TaxTron Web software. Let's get started. What are moving expenses? To begin with, let's understand the basic conditions for claiming moving expenses. First and foremost, your move must be directly related to a new job, self-employment opportunity, or full-time studies. Additionally, your new workplace or school should be at least 40 kilometers closer to your new home than your previous location. Moving on, let's talk about eligible expenses. You can claim the following: transportation and storage costs. This includes truck rentals, shipping fees, and packing materials. Travel expenses, costs like gas, meals, and lodging during your move. Temporary living costs, expenses for short-term accommodation. Selling and purchasing costs for your home. Real estate commissions or legal fees tied to buying or selling your home. However, keep in mind that only moving-related costs are deductible. Personal travel or leisure expenses are not eligible. Next, let's dive into the step-by-step process of claiming these deductions using TaxTron Web. To begin, log into TaxTron Web. Navigate to the T1 Clients section and open a tax return. Either create a new one or use an existing file. Before proceeding, double-check that the personal information under the Identification tab is accurate. This ensures the system calculates your taxes correctly. Once you have verified your details, move to the Income tab. Here, answer yes to the question, did you work in 2023? Select the box for T4 and click Next. Enter the details from your T4 slip, such as Box 14, 45,000, Box 18, 4,500, and complete the rest of the T4 as shown in the video. After completing the T4 details, you will see the balance owing. Let's assume it's $1,354.77. Now let's report the moving expenses. Head over to the Deduction tab and select Additional Deductions. Click on Moving Expenses and proceed. Answer yes to the question, did you move to start a new job, business, or full-time studies? Then enter the total distance from your old home to your new workplace and the distance from your new home to the new workplace. Next, you will need to provide some specific information. Enter your old and new addresses. Fill in details about your employer, business, or educational institution after the move. Select the reason for your move. For example, in this case, we will choose to start a new job. Enter the date of your move and the start date of your new job, business, or studies. Once that's done, select the method to report your expenses. For the purpose of this video, we will choose Detailed Method and report the expenses. For example, transportation and storage costs, $250. Travel costs, $500. Meals, number of days, 2. Meal expenses, $240. Accommodation, number of nights, 2. Accommodation expenses, $350. Temporary living expenses, accommodation, $600 for 2 nights. Meals, $450 for 4 days. You will also answer whether you sold your previous residence due to the move. Finally, enter your net income from the new job or business. For example, this could be $45,000. Once all the expenses are reported, you will notice the updated balance owing. In this case, it's reduced to $756.07. To confirm everything, navigate to the Review and Files section and download the record-keeping document. Open the PDF and look for Form T1M, which summarizes all reported moving expenses. The deductible amount will appear on line 21900 of the T1 General Return. And there you have it. That's how you report moving expenses using TaxTron Web. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.